So here the question is given to you. Question number 6. So the question here it is given to you. Diagonal AC of the parallelogram ABCD bisects angle A, then show that it bisects angle C and as well as ABCD is the rhombus. So here if you take the ABCD, A, B, C, D. ABCD is the parallelogram. Okay. So AC bisects angle A. So this is 1 and 2. It is bisecting angle A. So and here we have to prove that what is given here. ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram is given. Okay. So now here it is, and also AC diagonal bisects angle A. So that is nothing but, let us consider angle 1 is equals to angle 2. Angle 1 is equals to means we are taking into consideration, that is 1 and 2 we are considering it here. Okay. And to prove here, let us take this angle as a 3 and this angle as a 4. And we have to prove that 3 equal to 4. We have to prove that 3 equal to 4. How do you prove 3 equal to 4? It's very simple. Suppose if you take into
alternate interior angle.
Yes, AB and CD as a parallel lines, because ABCD is a parallelogram. It is a parallelogram. So since ABCD is a parallelogram, AB is parallel to CD and AC is transversal. So therefore angle 1 is equals to angle 3 because alternate interior angles. Similarly, AD is parallel to BC and AC is transversal. So angle 2 is equals to angle 4 aa jayega. These two are also alternate angles. Alternate interior angles. So now what you can say here, as it is here 1 equal to 2. So this is 1 you consider, this is 2 you consider, this is 3 you consider. 1 equal to 2 दे दिया, so 1 equal to angle 3, angle 2 equal to angle 4 हो गया. So therefore you can write from 1, 2 and 3, angle 3 is equals to angle 4. Angle 3 is equals to angle 4. Therefore you can say that AC bisects angle B. AC bisects angle B. समझ में आया? And apart from that, you need to prove that ABCD is a rhombus. You have to prove that ABCD is the rhombus. So ABCD rhombus कैसे prove कर सकते हैं? Rhombus to prove what to prove here actually? Adjacent sides are equal.
Yes sir.
Equal prove कर दिया तो बस हो गया. So you consider the second part के लिए to prove ABCD is rhombus. So take the triangle ABC. Angle 1 and 4 are equal or not? Angle 1 and 4 equal or not? In that figure.
Yes sir.
1 equal to 2 है.
Yes sir.
1 equal to 2 है. 1 equal to 3 है. And 1 equal to 2 है. 1 equal all are here. All these angles are all equal here. From this we can say angle 1 equal to angle 2 हो गया, angle 1 equal to angle 3 हो गया, angle 2 equal to angle 4 हो गया. From this angle 1 equal to 4 हो जाएगा. 1 equal to 2, 2 equal to 4 हो गया. Okay? 1 equal to 2, 2 equal to 4 हो गया. So from 1 and 2 in triangle ABC, from the equation number 1 and 2, Angle 1 is equals to angle 2 and angle 2 is equals to angle 4. So this implies angle 1 is equals to angle 4. So two angles are equal means their opposite sides are equal. Angle 1 का opposite side क्या है? BC है. Angle 4 का opposite side क्या है? AB है. So BC equal to AB. So therefore adjacent sides are equal in a parallelogram. Adjacent sides are equal in parallelogram. So AB is equals to CD and BC and BC is equals to AB. So all the sides equal आ गया है. So when all the sides are equal, you can say that therefore ABCD is a rhombus. ABCD is a rhombus. समझ में आया? Okay?
Yes, sir.
So next to seventh question here it is given to you. ABCD is a rhombus. Show the diagonal AC bisects angle A and as well as angle C, and diagonal BD bisects angle B and angle as well as angle D. See is the question. In a rhombus, each diagonal bisects the two angles. So now you here from here onwards I will try to extract the answers from you only. Even though for a class if it takes a one problem also doesn't matter, but you should ready to extract the answer. You from your side answer should come. So geometry can be learned like that only. Otherwise, ABCD क्या दे दिया भैया? Rhombus. Given ABCD is rhombus. It is given to you. This is rhombus. Okay? समझ में आ रहा है? So now here rhombus बोले तो क्या है? I will ask one by one. Who is that? Aditi. Rhombus बोले तो क्या लेना है? What do you have to take? What are the Aditi? Simple problem ये. This is very very simple. Rhombus में properties क्या है? Rhombus बोले तो what you are going to have in the quadrilateral. A quadrilateral is said to be a rhombus if anyone. Can you hear me? I am visible to you.
Yes, sir. Sir, all rhombus में
Yes,
all
sir.
side equal होगा.
All the sides will be
The fourth side.
AB is equals to BC is equals to CD is equals to DA. All the sides are equal. And asking for you to prove what here? AC bisects angle A as well as angle C.
Sir, your voice is not clear. It's
No, sir.
sir, your voice is breaking.
It is only for you, I think. I think it is only for you.
No, sir, clear, sir.
Clear है ना?
No, sir, clear, sir, clear. Yes, sir, yes, sir.
So here ABCD is a rhombus and AB BCC equal, and asking you to prove that AC bisects angle A and as well as angle C. So that is nothing but you have to consider here the angles to be taken into consider here. This angle you consider as a 1, this angle you consider as a 2, this angle you consider. Anyway, you can consider. It doesn't matter. 1, 2, 3, 4 consider. So what to prove here? Angle 1 is equals to angle 2 prove करना है. Angle 3 is equals to angle 4 prove करना है. So very simple proof. I think so. It is not necessary. Here simple proof I will extract from you. I will try to extract from you. So ये prove करने के लिए what to do here? Simple concept you have to use. छोटा सा concept use करना है बस.
So we have to show
Sir,
congruence.
पहले होगा alternate interior angle.
Wait, I'll give the chance to you others. Anyone other than Antika, Saptarshi and Mriganka. Other than Antika, Saptarshi and Mriganka. because these three are giving frequently the answer is given. Yes, tell me. Any other? No. Okay, yes, anyone?
सर पहले होगा ऑल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल,
Huh?
पहले मतलब वन एंगल 1 इक्वल टू एंगल 4 एंड एंगल 2 इक्वल टू एंगल 3, ऑल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल।
But
इसके
angle
अपोजिट
angle 1 equal to angle 4, angle 2 equal to angle 3 हो गया. Okay. Alternate interior
हाँ,
angle.
इसके
Alternate interior angles. But we need to angle 1
हाँ सर
equal. How do you do angle 1
सर
equal?
सर इक्वल लाइन ऑफ इक्वल साइड ऑफ इक्वल एंगल आर इक्वल।
See here, this side is equals to this side. See, this side is equals to this side. All the sides are equal. So, इसका in the triangle ADC you take it to consider. ADC triangle you take it to consider. In this triangle, angle 1 equal to angle 3 आ जाएगा. Angle 1 equal to angle 3 आ जाएगा. Angle 1 equal to angle 3 है. Angle 1 equal to angle 4 है. You have taken. So how do you say that angle 1 equal to 2 from this?
सर फ्रॉम वी टेक मतलब वन और टू मतलब दो इक्वेशन दे देंगे, सर वन और टू से
ये देखो
सर
equal है 1 is equals to 3 है because opposite equal sides are equal. Opposite angles are the equal sides. AD is equals to DC. Angle 1 is equal. Sorry. Angle 2 is equals to angle 3. Alternate angles. I am not writing complete statement. You have to write completely. I am not writing. Okay. So angle 1 is equal to 3 है. Angle 2 is equal to 3 है. So angle 1 equal to angle 2 हो गया. In the same way, angle 2 is equals to angle 4 लिखना है. Angle 2 is equals to angle 4. 2 equal to 4 प्रूव करना है. Sorry. 2 equal to 4 हो जाएगा. Angle 2 equal to angle 4 हो जाएगा. And that angle 2 equal to angle 3 हो जाएगा. So these two are equal. Angle 3 equal to angle 4.
सर एक चीज सर पूछना है सर, थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजन है सर। एंगल 1 इज इक्वल टू जो एंगल 3 है सर, वो एक बार फिर से बोलो ना, मतलब कैसे है?
See here, you take this triangle into consideration. A, D, C. A, D, C.
Yes, sir.
AD equal to DC. Angles opposite to the equal sides.
Oh yes sir, yes sir, yes sir.
Angles opposite to the equal sides. This is alternate angles. Both the concepts you have to use here, so that you are going to get it.
Sir, but it is not given that AD is equal to DC.
But it is given that it is rhombus. It is given.
Oh yes sir, yes sir.
rhombus दे दिया तो पहले लिखा है ना ये क्या है? All the sides are equal.
Yes sir, yes.
All the sides equal लिखा है. Then हो गया.
Sir,
Yes. Tell me better.
sir, we can prove it by SSS and AAS also, no?
What?
Sir, side congruency and angle side congruency also be applied, no?
हाँ. Yes, you can do it. Very good.
सर साइड भी तो होगा, साइड एंगल साइड भी होगा।
मैं बोल दिया तो मेरा आइडिया हो जाएगा. देखो, everyone please you try the problems on your own. See here, you can prove that these two triangles ADC triangle and ABC triangles are congruent. You can prove that ADC triangle, ABC triangles are congruent. If you prove that these two are congruent, then you can say that angle 1 equal to angle 2, angle 3 equal to angle 4 at a stretch CPCT use करके. And in the same way, BD join करो. There will be not only one way. If I am saying only one way is there, you try. So that's why you try the problems on your own. Then after, if you discuss in the class, it will be little bit easy to you to understand. See here, geometry पढ़ने के लिए आप लोगों को क्या करना है? पहले क्वेश्चन पढ़ना है. So before coming to the class, you need to read the question properly. Okay, 8th question क्या दे दिया है? So you try the questions. Questions को अभी मैं I'm not explaining to you all the questions. Tomorrow we'll complete the exercise. Okay. So questions पढ़ लो. ABCD is a rectangle in which AC bisects angle A and as well as angle C. Show that ABCD is a square. This is similar to the problem of 6. And diagonal BD bisects angle B as well as angle D. Their parallelogram है rhombus है. Parallelogram को rhombus prove कर लिया. We have proved the parallelogram as a rhombus. And here rectangle को square prove करना है. So both are similar problems. 8th problem also you can do it. Okay.
Yes sir, क्वेश्चन पढ़ के खुद ट्राई करेंगे sir.
No difference in the two problems. Okay.
Yes.
9th, 10th, 11th, 12th problems with the base and figures are there. I request you to read the questions and the figure draw कर लो पहले before the tomorrow's class. Okay.